Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, for those of you that watched the video I did on this one Tuesday, we have quite the showdown here that's taking place. And if anything, this just really goes to show, and I'm not patting myself on the back here, but it goes to show the power of charts. And what I'm referring to here is this area of resistance that I talked about. And you can see that right here. Check out where the price ultimately got rejected, right at that level. But also what makes this interesting is the price is just slightly down below it. So that doesn't mean it's a guarantee of anything. But my core point here is at least a valid and rational thought to have that the price very well has a realistic chance of potentially getting back up above that level. And that's important because that's an area where a lot of people are watching. So this, me drawing that line was not some sort of like special talent that I have or some sort of great discovery. I assure you the exact opposite. A lot of people drew that line, and I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So there's going to be all sorts of people watching right up here around the 368 mark. And every breakout player and their brother is going to be watching that level. Can the price finally get the break above there? Is there another leg? Or is this area going to hold up as resistance again, and is the price headed back downwards? That's a very real possibility too, given that the overall trend is still down right now over the past several days. But like I said, it's also more than valid to be wondering, hey, is Tesla getting ready to continue on with the breakout? If the price does break above that level, I'm just going to go ahead and use this resistance right there. Next key level to watch would be up there right around the 382 mark. So 368, 382, next couple of key battlegrounds to watch from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support are concerned, I would definitely consider that 346 mark, a very important level of support, because if the price, and I'm not saying that all this will occur, but if it gets rejected, comes down to 346 and then breaks down below there, well, at that point, you would all of a sudden have the price right back to where it was at these lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So going forward, those are going to be the main technical levels that I'm watching. So let's see how it all plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.